What we want from you is to lead and live up to your full potential. For the past 11 years, we have been providing training and services to improve your language skills, IT knowledge, academic learning and student counseling. We specialize in language courses and lead in IELTS training to help you achieve your perfect score. We also offer basic and advanced IT courses, graphic designing, web development, AutoCAD, spouse visa tests and many more. Please join us and follow your dream. We promise to help you get on your feet, to face the world with a skill set that gives you the edge on your competition.